And this is me, y'all. I'm looking. I did make sure that I donated to her doctorate gifts, as well as I sent her a little birthday something. She turned 30 and she has a doctorate degree. So she is Dr. Morel, y'all. I have a niece who is Dr. Morel. So I just think that is so awesome. But yeah, I'm about to head. Like I said, I'm running a little late. Asia's not with me. She's sneezing and something and whatever she's got. So I told her, you just need to stay there. But yeah, I'm heading to the Stock Exchange. I'm right down the road from it. If you look at last year's Stock Exchange, you'll kind of know what that's about. But it's a fun way of celebrating the holiday. And I've got these gingerbread socks. I put a little bow on them, and I tried to stuff the socks as much as I could. And at the end, we will do the Stock Exchange. So I hope to get a little bit of footage. And then I've got some treat bags for them, the host, to give out at the end, because I didn't bring anything to eat. So, yep. All right, man. Oh. Stop taking it off. Okay, Kelsey, right? Kelsey, you gotta see it. Oh, Lord, I got this feeling, y'all. I had it because it was like he was saying. Oh, that was funny. That was good. Oh my God. You white, red? Gosh, all these socks are heavy. Hold on, I ain't got none.